How to enable or disable journaling suggestions. Prioritize moments with context on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. After that, we then scroll down. In here, tap on Journaling Suggestions, and then we scroll down. And from the Nearby People section, tap on Prioritize Moments with Context. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here said, iPhone will discover nearby context to show moments spent with context high up in your list of suggestions. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.